साइंस एंड टेक के ब्रीफ लेक्चर में। और आज का टॉपिक है मून एंड इट्स इम्पैक्ट ऑन अर्थ, चंद्रमा और पृथ्वी पर चंद्रमा का प्रभाव। इसके अंदर देखेंगे कि आखिर ये वाई दिस टॉपिक इज बीइंग चूजन, क्यों इस टॉपिक को लिया गया। इट्स ऑल ऑब्वियस, इट्स बिकॉज on 14th this month in the afternoon at 2:35 Chandrayaan 3 was successfully launched. Okay. Second, important facts about the moon. And next, the role played by moon in our system. So you all know the attraction due to moon on water bodies results in the formation of tides, neap tides and spring tide. इस तरीके से it is also related to the evolution of earth, or फिर how the researches or discoveries with the moon surface can give us new insight to the domain of science. Just see. Moon and its impact on earth. This is our topic. Here highlights to be why it is in the news. Second, important facts about moon. Third, moon and its impact on earth. And next one, a conclusion. In page of way forward, here will be conclusion. Not this, but the conclusion. Why news, important facts, moon and its impact on earth, and conclusion. Just once again refer to Chandrayaan 3 on board LV-M3 M4 rocket, successful launch by a heavy lift rocket LV-M3 M4 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, South India. Chandrayaan 3 on board LV-M3 M4 rocket, successful launch by a heavy lift rocket. Name of the rocket is just this one, LV-M3 M4 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, South India. From PT point of view, PT की दृष्टि से काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स यहीं पर मिल जाएंगे आपको कि चंद्रयान 3 को जो लॉन्च किया गया तो कौन सा व्हीकल इस्तेमाल हुआ। तो आंसर होगा LV-M3 M4, राइट। कहाँ से? इट इज़ फ्रॉम सतीश धवन स्पेस सेंटर. सतीश धवन स्पेस सेंटर, वेयर इज लोकेटेड? इट इज इन श्रीहरिकोटा. Next, creation of Earth and Moon. 4.5 million years ago, ये हमारा जो पृथ्वी और चांद का जो क्रिएशन हुआ, सृजन हुआ, ये लगभग 4.5 बिलियन years ago, याद रखेंगे. And now come to the summary of the process. of Earth and Moon. कैसे ये बने अर्थ एंड मून, इसके प्रोसेस की समरी को हम देखेंगे. एंड जस्ट टू बिगिन विथ एक्रीशन. इन accretion in early solar system, a small particles collided. शुरू के दिनों में जो हमारा सौर मंडल है, सौर निकाय है, उसमें स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स आपस में टकराए एंड स्ट्रक टुगेदर. टकराने के बाद आपस में मिल गए. फिर रिजल्ट क्या हुआ? प्लैनेटेसिमल्स and eventually photoplanets are formed. Planetesimals का मतलब क्या हुआ? Large objects. So creation of Earth and Moon, it is 4.5 billion years ago. And now come to the summary of the process of Earth and Moon formation. First point, accretion. In early solar system, a small particles collided and stuck together. Planetesimals, large objects, remember. And eventually, photoplanets are formed. Next, come to giant impact. They are a mass-sized photoplanet collided with the young Earth. This results a massive impact that ejected debris into space. Giant impact. They are a mass-sized photoplanet collided with this young Earth. This results a massive impact, and this massive impact caused ejection of debris into space. Next step, Moon's formation. The debris from the impact began to orbit the Earth and eventually came together to create the Moon. So Moon's formation, the debris from the impact began to orbit the Earth and eventually came together to create the Moon. Now come to know differentiation. Differentiation. Both the Earth and Moon underwent differentiation. This one, differentiation. And now here is a spelling mistake. So read it as here, DIFFERENTIATION. So both the Earth and Moon underwent differentiation, that is material separation on the basis of density. Heavier elements sank towards the core, while lighter elements rose to the surface. Thus, distinct layers are formed. So this is all about here. Both the Earth and Moon underwent differentiation, that is material separation on the basis of density. Basis is density. Heavier elements sank towards the core, while lighter elements rose to the surface. These distinct layers are formed. Now come to lunar evolution. The Moon cooled, solidified over time. It experienced volcanic activity and large impact events, leading to the formation of craters, basins, and other geological features like lunar maria. So lunar evolution, the moon cooled, solidified over time. It experienced volcanic activity and large impact events leading to the formation of craters, basins, and other geological features like lunar maria. Remember, volcanic activity, impact events, of course, large. Now, then the formation of craters and also, say, basins and other geological features like lunar maria. More about impact of moon on the evolution of लाइफ ऑन अर्थ, क्या इम्पैक्ट है? ये देखिए हम फर्स्ट वाटर ऑन अर्थ. सेकेंड, the planet that collided with earth came from the outer solar system and delivered large quantity of water to earth. So what is the impact? Water source. पृथ्वी की सतह पर काफ़ी अधिक परिमाण में वाटर आया. So impact of moon on the evolution of water on earth, and just a planet that collided with earth, came from the other solar system and delivered large quantities of water to the earth. Impact on tectonic plates. Moon's gravitational attraction might have set our tectonic plates. Moon's gravitational attractions and its impact. चांद का जो आकर्षण है ग्रेविटेशनल, इसका क्या प्रभाव है? फर्स्ट वन, helps transport heat away from the equator and towards the poles and shapes the earth climate. What is the impact? What is the impact of moon's attraction? Of course, gravitational attraction, gravitational attraction due to moon. What is the impact? It helps transport heat away from the equator, remember. And next one, towards the poles. Next one, shapes the earth climate. 3 points are important here. From PT point of view, helps transport heat away from the equator and towards the poles and shapes the earth's climate. Impact on earth's rotation. पृथ्वी जो घूर्णन करती है अपने अक्ष पे, उस पर क्या प्रभाव है? It is the moon that stabilizes the earth's rotation on its axis by swaying earth's rotation on its axis. So impact, this stabilizes the earth's rotation on its axis by swaying earth's rotation on its axis. Moon's presence also helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt and its climate. Thus, stability helps the development of seasons, and this has had a significant impact on the distribution of water and the evolution of life, right? So the moon's presence helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt and its climate. Thus, stability helps the development of seasons, and this has had a significant impact on the distribution of water and the evolution of life. Now, impact on Earth. It stabilizes Earth's climate. I told you, just to repeat, it stabilizes Earth's climate, transport heat, helps regulate Earth's rotation on its axis, and impact on tides. It encourages life to adapt and move from ocean to land. So, what is the impact on Earth? It stabilizes Earth's climate, this one. Next, transport heat, helps regulate Earth's rotation on its axis. Impact of tides, impact of tide is this one. It encourages life to adapt and move from ocean to land. स्वाभाविक है, समुद्र में ज्वार भाटा आते हैं तो जो ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट्स होता है along the beach, वो धीरे 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 ज़रूरत पड़ने पर जो भी ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट्स होगा वो क्या है, बीच से लैंड पार्ट की तरफ मूव करता है. Impact on biological cycle. Lunar cycles affect reproductive cycles of marine life and other animal behavior. Sure. What is the impact on biological cycle? Lunar cycles affect reproductive cycles, remember, of marine life and other animal behavior. Next point, the laying and hatching of a turtle's eggs depend on the timing of tides. Moonlight affects the behavior of nocturnal animals and triggers species wide reproduction, that is corals. The laying and hatching of turtles' eggs depend on the timing of tides. And next, moonlight affects the behavior of nocturnal animals. And next, it triggers species-wide reproduction, that is corals. That's all for the day. Thanks.